Soy 6 bars at night. Are you ready for a night you won't forget? Welcome back to our channel, your guide to the coolest places and hottest events in Thailand. Tonight, we're diving into the heart of Pattaya's vibrant nightlife, Soy 6. Get ready to explore the wildest bars that will make your night unforgettable. Now, when it comes to navigating the bustling streets of Pattaya, especially its infamous Soy 6, having a reliable and informative guide can be invaluable. That's where our mobile app comes in. Our app provides up-to-date information on the best bars, clubs, restaurants, and events happening in Soy 6 and beyond. Whether you're a first-timer looking for the ultimate nightlife experience or a seasoned pro wanting to discover the latest hot spots, our mobile app has got you covered. With detailed descriptions, opening hours, and even crowd levels, you'll know exactly where to go and when to go. Download our mobile app now and let us be your ultimate companion for exploring Pattaya's vibrant streets. Don't leave your Patong experience to luck. But first, hit that like button and subscribe for more epic stories and check out our other videos. Now let's get into it. Welcome to our channel, your passport to the most exciting destinations in Thailand. We bring you the hottest trends, vibrant culture, and electrifying nightlife all in one place. Tonight, join us as we embark on a thrilling journey through Pattaya's infamous Soy 6, uncovering the hidden treasures and legendary landmarks that make this destination truly unforgettable. Are you ready to have a night you won't forget? Pattaya's Soy 6 is legendary for its wild nightlife. But with so many bars, where do you start? This video unveils the best spots for an unforgettable experience. Let's dive in. Hidden treasures await. Have you heard of the hidden bars on Soy 6? These are the spots frequented by locals and those in the know. Recently, while exploring the winding alleys of Old Town, I stumbled upon one of these gems by pure chance. It was tucked away, almost as if it didn't want to be found. I pushed open the door and stepped inside, immediately transported to another world. The air was filled with the scent of fresh coffee and the soft melody of jazz music. The owner, a friendly local, welcomed me with a warm smile and a menu that boasted an impressive selection of craft beers and cocktails. Sipping on my drink, I watched as a talented pianist played a soulful tune, captivating everyone in the bar. It was an experience that transcended the ordinary, and that's the magic of these hidden bars. They offer a unique atmosphere, a break from the usual tourist traps, and an authentic taste of Thai culture. If you're in Pattaya, don't just stick to the main strip. Venture into the hidden alleys and discover the city's best-kept secrets, one hidden bar at a time. Soy 6, the infamous heart of Pattaya. Let's talk about the heartbeat of Pattaya, the infamous Soy 6. Imagine walking down a narrow street lined with neon lights, pulsating music, and the laughter of people from all corners of the globe. That's Soy 6 for you. But there's more to this legendary spot than meets the eye. Throughout its history, Soy 6 has been a melting pot of cultures, a haven for those seeking adventure, and a sanctuary for those who want to escape the ordinary. Today, it stands as a testament to Pattaya's vibrant spirit. A place where the young and the young at heart come to let loose and make unforgettable memories. The best bars for a night to remember. So, you're thinking of spending a night in Soy 6, huh? Well, buckle up because this place has more bars than you can shake a stick at. But don't worry, we've done the legwork for you and rounded up the best of the best. For those looking for a night of non-stop fun, look no further than the best go-go bars. Here, the beer flows like water and the energy is simply electric. The iconic walking street is a must-visit, offering a wide array of beverages to get the party started. Feeling thirsty? No problem. Simply grab a bucket of ice-cold beer and get ready to dance the night away. And don't forget to keep an eye out for the stunning ladies in red high heels dancing on the tables. Trust me, it's a sight you won't soon forget. And if you're feeling a little adventurous, head on over to the Chocolate Factory. With its quirky name and inviting atmosphere, this bar is sure to delight. Don't be fooled by the modest entrance, though. Once you step inside, you'll be greeted by a lively crowd and a DJ spinning the hottest tracks. Feeling a little peckish? Don't worry, the Chocolate Factory also serves up delicious food to keep you fueled for a night of dancing. Looking for something a bit more low-key? No problem. Soy 6 also has plenty of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Tucked away from the loud and bustling crowds, these intimate bars offer a cozy and relaxed vibe. One such spot is the Secret Garden, a charming bar with lush greenery and twinkling fairy lights. It is the perfect place to unwind with a refreshing cocktail in hand and listen to some soothing live music. Or if you're in the mood for a sing-along, head on over to the karaoke room. With state-of-the-art sound systems and a vast library of songs, you and your friends will be belting out tunes in no time. Just remember to keep it down a notch since karaoke can get pretty competitive in Pattaya. And let's not forget about the Irish pub, a cozy spot with a traditional Irish vibe and a wide selection of whiskeys and beers. It's the perfect place to meet new people and swap stories over a pint. A night in Soy 6, the experience. Navigating the vibrant buzz of Soy 6. Picture this, you're strolling down a narrow alley lit up with neon signs and buzzing with energy. The air is thick with the scent of grilled meats and sweet coconut candy. The thumping beat of electronic music mixes with the laughter of tourists and the chatter of locals. Everywhere you turn, there's something new to discover. From street vendors selling sizzling seafood to groups of friends clinking glasses and making merry. The narrow passageways open up into small squares filled with long tables laden with food and drink. Groups of friends gather here, sharing stories and jokes as they dig into plates of spicy papaya salad and grilled chicken sticks. Finding the right vibe on Soy 6. With its wide array of bars, Soy 6 caters to all kinds of vibes. Whether you're looking for a rowdy night of dancing and drinking, or a more relaxed evening of live music and good conversation, there's something for everyone. If you're feeling adventurous, head to one of the many go-go bars and let loose on the dance floor. These bars are known for their high-energy atmosphere and are a great place to meet new people. On the other hand, if you're in the mood for something more laid back, visit one of the cozy neighborhood bars. Here you can relax with a cold beer and enjoy the soothing sounds of acoustic guitar, or chat with the friendly locals and learn about Thai culture. Whatever vibe you're looking for, you're sure to find it on Soy 6. Beyond the nightlife, more of Pattaya. While Soy 6 is renowned for its electrifying nightlife, Pattaya has much more to offer its visitors. During the day, you can explore the city's beautiful beaches and indulge in water sports like jet skiing and parasailing. The crystal-clear waters of the Gulf of Thailand are home to a variety of marine creatures, making it a perfect destination for snorkeling and scuba diving enthusiasts. For those seeking cultural experiences, Pattaya has plenty to offer. Visit the Sanctuary of Truth, a wooden temple adorned with intricate carvings depicting scenes from Hindu mythology. Explore the massive Khafra Cave, also known as the White Buddha, which stands majestically atop a hill overlooking the city. Where to stay in Pattaya? Pattaya offers a wide range of accommodation options to suit every budget and preference. From luxurious beachfront resorts to cozy guest houses, you'll find the perfect place to stay in Pattaya. Many of these establishments are located close to Soy 6, ensuring easy access to the vibrant nightlife. Getting to Pattaya. Reaching Pattaya is a breeze. Whether you're traveling from Bangkok or other major cities in Thailand, take a bus from Bangkok's Eastern Bus Terminal, which operates frequent services throughout the day. Alternatively, hop on a train from Bangkok's Hua Station and enjoy the scenic ride. For a more comfortable journey, hire a private car or join a tour group. Pattaya's Wildest Soy 6 Bars. For a night to remember. So, after a day of soaking up the sun and exploring the city's cultural landmarks, it's time to experience the electrifying nightlife of Pattaya. Make your way to Soy 6, the city's entertainment hub, and prepare for a night you won't forget. Choose from a wide array of bars, each offering a unique atmosphere and experience. Dance the night away at the go-go bars, sing your heart out at the karaoke bars, or unwind with a cold beer at the cozy neighborhood bars. As you explore the winding alleyways of Soy 6, be sure to try some of the local cuisine, from mouth-watering grilled meats to refreshing coconut candy. And don't forget to engage with the friendly locals and fellow travelers who come from all corners of the globe. Whether you're looking for an adrenaline-filled adventure or a night of relaxation and good company, Soy 6 has it all. So come and experience the magic of Pattaya's wildest bar street. That does it for our electrifying journey through Pattaya's most legendary nightlife destination, Soy 6. We hope you've enjoyed this adventure and feel inspired to create your own unforgettable memories in this vibrant and exciting part of Thailand. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling expedition. If you're craving more epic stories and sizzling nightlife updates from all around Thailand, don't forget to subscribe for more content. Hit that like button and let us know your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring, keep partying, and keep making those unforgettable memories.